coronavirus is known to cause severe symptoms leading to hospitalization in some cases. Because of the risk this virus poses, prevention and extra protection are vital. Pharmaceutical company Regeneron is trying to provide exactly this with their product, which is supposed to slash the risk of contracting the virus by more than 80%. The antibody cocktail linked to protection lasting for 2 to 8 months is called Regencov. The pharmaceutical company says it's supposed to cut your risk of contracting COVID-19 by 81.6% to be exact. Research shows that none of the people given a new treatment were hospitalized compared to 5 people who were only on a placebo. Regencov was authorized a year ago solely for emergency use to treat people with mild to moderate cases of COVID in the U.S. High cholesterol, the very common vitamin deficiency linked to higher risk of condition. The combo therapy has now expanded. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has now approved the drug as a preventive treatment as well. The latest trial data suggests that a single dose of this antibody mix can lower the risk of the virus between 2 and 8 months after the drug is administered. The new data shows that only 7 people in the treatment group developed COVID compared to 38 in the placebo group. The FDA previously explained that Regencov is not a replacement for the vaccine, but can be used in combination with the jab for people who develop a weak immune response to the vaccine. High cholesterol, the very common vitamin deficiency linked to higher risk of condition. In former dementia diet, the common food type you should eat every day to lower dementia risk. Inside type 2 diabetes, the breakfast drink that keeps blood sugar levels low even after lunch. Informer, today's new data demonstrate how a single dose of Regencov can help protect people from COVID-19 for many months after administration, said Dr. Myron S. Cohen, who leads the monoclonal antibody efforts for the COVID Prevention Network sponsored by the National Institutes of Health, in a statement. These results demonstrate that Regencov has the potential to provide long-lasting immunity from SARS-CoV-2 infection, a result particularly important to those who do not respond to COVID-19 vaccines, including people who are immunocompromised. What exactly is Regencov? The antibody cocktail is a combination of 2 drugs, casirivimab and imdevimab. Both of the drugs are so-called monoclonal antibodies, proteins made in a laboratory that mimic the immune system. These lab-made antibodies target the spike protein, which the virus uses to enter and infect cells. Unlike the traditional jab, which helps your immune system to get activated and develop its own antibodies, this drug delivers virus-fighting antibodies into your body. Regencov reduces the risk of symptomatic infections by 72% in the first week and 93% after 1 month, according to trial data. The use of this drug as a prophylactic precaution can help lower the risk of infection for patients who are at high risk of exposure to COVID, like nursing homes or prisons. It can also be beneficial for those with weakened immune systems. The latest trial looked at 1,683 participants. Half were given a 1,200 mg dose of Regencov and the other half were given a placebo. 7 people, who were on the drug, developed coronavirus compared to 38 people in the placebo group between 2 and 8 months later. The researchers say this data was translated into the efficacy of 81.6% against the infection. The trial also saw no hospitalizations in the treatment group compared to 6 in the placebo group.